In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist for meal planning in 2025 and turn your kitchen chaos into a streamlined strategy. First off, let's open Todoist. This can be on your web browser, your desktop, or your mobile device, whatever is most convenient for you. Once you've got Todoist open, look to the sidebar and click on plus add project, where you'll give your new project a name. Something like meal planner, weekly menu, or family meals could work well. Picking a color and an icon, like a cooking pot or a plate, not only makes it catchy and recognizable, but adds a little personality to your planning process. And here's a pro tip. Using emojis in your project name, like weekly meal plan, can make things pop visually. Once your project is set up, it's time to organize it with sections. Inside your meal planning project, structure it by days of the week, types of meals like breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, or even by week numbers like week 1, week 2, and so on. You can add a section by clicking Add Section at the top of your board. For example, a simple setup could be categorized into breakfast, lunch, dinner, and groceries. Perhaps like this: breakfast, lunch, dinner, groceries. Moving on to adding meals as tasks under each relevant section. Picture your typical day and jot down your meal plans like oatmeal with fruits for breakfast, chicken Caesar salad for lunch, and spaghetti bolognese for dinner. Don't shy away from including cooking reminders such as marinate chicken tonight or defrost fish tomorrow morning. Now, imagine the time saved when those meals repeat weekly. Todoist makes this easy. Simply type recurring dates directly in the due date field. You can go for every Monday, every week on Tuesday, or every weekday. Let's say meal prep for lunches every Sunday, and watch as Todoist automatically schedules it for you week after week. An essential element of meal planning is also managing your groceries. Create a section or even a separate project called groceries. List your ingredients there, from broccoli and chicken breast to tomatoes. Group them using labels such as @vegetables, @meat, or @pantry, or organize them into sections for different stores like a supermarket or farmer's market. Going the extra mile, don't forget to add recipe links or notes. By clicking any meal task and opening the task details panel, you can paste in a recipe URL, jot down cooking instructions, or attach images. Todoist will neatly store all your recipe details right there, no app switching required. With everything in place, shift your attention to viewing your week at a glance through Todoist upcoming or calendar view. This is a great way to foresee your meal schedule, align your grocery runs, and prep ahead. Lastly, harness the power of labels for dietary tracking. Create custom tags like @low-carb, @vegetarian, @family favorite, or @quick meal, and assign them to your meals. It's a handy way to filter and view specific kinds of meals whenever you need. And there you have it. With Todoist set up for meal planning, you not only simplify your weekly cooking, but leave ample room for refining your culinary repertoire. Review your menu at the week's end, note which recipes were hits, tweak portions or prep steps, and maybe drop a comment in Todoist like "too spicy" or "try almond milk next time."